$3.99 for a hair dryer. Come with these accessories. Help prevent extreme heat, damage, protect natural shine, fast drying, engineered for balance, smoothing nozzle. Let's check it out. There are all the buttons back here, nothing on this side. Let's try it out. Low, medium, high. Alright, so let's turn it on. The power's on. Got this cool air button. Let's try that out. Okay, I don't feel it. Let me, maybe let's turn the heat off. Okay, now I feel the cool air. Oh wow, this is different levels of cool air. Very cool. Now I'm going to turn the heat on. So you got different levels of heat. Oh, this is pretty cool actually. And then this is the button for changing the different speeds. This is high, low, and medium. And then you got your on and off button. So you got your cool air here, you got your heat, you got your different speeds, and you got your off button. Wow, $3.99. Wow. But quite a blow dryer it seems to be.